Hello everyone, I'm Shahir, data scientist here at Syntax Technologies. Today we are going to manipulate arrays using Numpy, which is a library in Python used for scientific computing. So let's get started. Here I'm using Jupyter as my programming environment. First of all, let's learn about Numpy arrays. A Numpy array is a data structure that stores data values of any data type together in the computer memory. Let's start using Numpy. I'm going to write import numpy as np, where np is just a nickname for numpy. You can refer the library without a nickname as well. I'm going to create a variable with the name of array1, and that will store my numpy array. In order to create a numpy array, I have to use a built-in function np.array, and the input which this function takes is basically the list of values we want to store in that array. So I want to store 5 data values. And this will store these values in the numpy array. Similarly, I'm going to create another variable with the name of array2, and in this array I want to store 5 numbers starting from 0 and ending at 4. So for that, what I can do is I can use a built-in function known as aRange, and I can give it an input as 5. Let's see what will be the output for this function. I'm going to print out the variable array2. So here you can see that it has created a range of numbers starting from 0 and ending at 4. But the total numbers that it has generated is equal to 5. Now I have 2 arrays with different data values. Let's say I want to add each and every data value that is placed on the same position in both of these 2 arrays together. For that, what I can do is I can simply add array1 with array2, and it will add those values that are placed on the same positions. I can also use other arithmetic operators as well, such as subtraction or multiplication or division. Here it is giving me an error because I'm dividing 10 with 0. So this is a zero division error or a warning. Now I want to manipulate my data values that are stored in array1. And for that, I can apply different arithmetic operators or different mathematical operations on my values. So I want to multiply 2 with each and every data value that is stored in my array1. And in this way, I can multiply 2 with each and every value that is stored in array1. And I can also change the mathematical operators as well. Now I want to check which values in my array1 are greater than 30. And for that, I can use a comparison operator greater than to check for that. And it will output an array with true and false values. and false values correspond those values in my array which are not greater than 30, and true values correspond to the values in my array which are greater than 30. Let's check what is the size of my array 1. So we have 5 data elements but 5 data values in array 1. Now I want to check what is the data type of the data values that are stored in array 1. And for that, I can use dtype along with the name to check for that. So we have integers stored in the array 1. A very cool feature of Numpy is that it allows you to create arrays with zeros and ones very easily. So let's say I want to create an array with 5 zeros, and for that I can use the zeros built-in function to create a NumPy array with 5 zero values. And in the same way, I can also create an array with 5 or 10 ones values, depending on how many values you need in that array. So in this array, I want 10 ones. So it will create an array with 10 ones. I can change that figure as well, depending on how many data values I need in my array. So that's about it. This is how you can process arrays for scientific computing in Python. However, if you want to dive deeper into the field of data science or to start a career, then do visit our website at syntaxtext.com. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great rest of your day. Bye bye.